We are asked to use the operations and the value of the variable to create new equivalent equations. Equivalent equations are different equations that have the same solution or solutions. We're also told to simplify fractions. We begin with the value of the variable, which is x equals 5. And the first operation is add 9. To create an equivalent equation, we need to perform the same operation to both sides of the equation, and therefore we begin by adding 9 to both sides of x equals 5. This gives us x plus 9 equals 5 plus 9. On the right side, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14, giving us the equivalent equation x plus 9 equals 14. Notice the solution of x plus 9 equals 14 is x equals 5. The next operation is divide by negative 6. So now we take both sides of this equation and divide by negative 6. This gives us the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 equals 14 divided by negative 6. We will leave the left side of the equation as it is, but we need to simplify the fraction on the right, and notice how the fraction on the right is negative. So we need to simplify negative 14 sixths. 14 and 6 share a common factor of 2, so we divide 14 by 2 and 6 by 2 to simplify the fraction, which gives us negative 7 thirds. The second equivalent equation is the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 equals negative 7 thirds. The next operation is subtract 3. So now we subtract 3 from both sides of this equation. We have the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 7 thirds minus 3. And now let's find the difference on the right. We have negative 7 thirds minus 3, or minus 3 over 1. The least common denominator is 3. We need to write 3 over 1 as an equivalent fraction with the denominator of 3 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. This gives us negative 7 thirds minus 9 thirds, which is equal to negative 16 thirds, giving us our third equivalent equation of the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 16 thirds. The last operation is multiply by negative 2, so now we take this equation and multiply both sides by negative 2. This gives us the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 minus 3 times negative 2 equals negative 16 thirds times negative 2. Now looking at the left side of the equation, we normally don't leave it in this form. We use the commutative property of multiplication and change the order of this product. We normally rewrite this as negative 2 times the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 minus 3. Now on the right side, we need to find this product. We have negative 16 thirds times negative 2, or times negative 2 over 1. Nothing simplifies, and our negative times a negative is positive, and therefore this product is positive 32 thirds, giving us the right side of our final equivalent equation. So the final equivalent equation again is negative 2 times the quantity x plus 9 divided by negative 6 minus 3 equals 32 thirds. All of these equations are equivalent because they all have a solution of x equals 5. I hope you found this helpful.